Are you worried that you're having a very tired look on your face, though you have just got up in the morning? Is everybody asking you consistently, why are you looking tired and what's wrong with your eyes? Then probably this video is for you. Let's talk about periorbital rejuvenation, or the surgeries around the eye which cause a fresh and brightened look to your eyes. Hi, I am Dr. Deepthi, consultant plastic surgeon, Eternal Aesthetics. The periorbital region is the region around your eyes. This is the area in between the eyebrow and the upper eyelid, the area under the lower eyelids. The lateral areas are called as temple regions and the eyebrows. So, as you age, you might see varied changes in these areas which can cause your eyes to look more tired than you actually are. With aging, your forehead skin becomes lax, the muscles in the forehead which hold up the eyebrow become lax, and there could be a droop of the eyebrow. This causes a look like a hooded eye or thickening of your upper eyelid, or a droop in the eyelid which usually looks like you're always tired. The next thing, there are certain fat pads around the eyeball which help in protecting the eyeball, or they act as a cushion cover to the eyeball. So these fat pads slowly droop down from their positions as we age. In the upper eyelid, when there's a droop down of fat pad, you see a very thick bulge of skin and the fat pad in the upper eyelids. This again gives a very low, sad look onto the eyes. The lower eyelid fat bags are the fat bags that we commonly know as under eye bags. We see them when we droop down forward or when we are really tired. These bags are nothing but fat projections or fat pads which project forward from their usual positions as we age. And one more important thing that we see as we age are temporal area emptiness. The fat in this area that is lateral to the eyes or towards the side of the eye slowly atrophies or empties, and it gives hollowness onto the temporal area. This again gives a very sunken and sad look onto your eyes. So how do we treat these different aging problems around the eye to give back a very rejuvenated and fresh look to your eye? Coming to the eyebrows, a surgical brow lift is very good in terms of lifting up the eyebrow. We can do some subtle manipulations with Botox till your late 30s and early 40s. But once you cross this age, a surgical brow lift is not replaceable with any of the Botox treatments. It gives a very lifted and expressive look to your face. The loose upper eyelids we see usually overlook onto the eyelid, and this gives a very sad and old look onto your face. This can be repaired with an upper eyelid blepharoplasty, wherein they give a scar into your eyelid crease so that you will not see any scar later after the surgery. All the extra skin is removed, and also any unnecessary protrusion of fat pads are excised so that your eyelid retains its normal shape and contour as you were when you were young. The lower eyelid fat bags are most commonly seen in many people, even in younger age groups. These generally give a very tired look onto your face. You could have a fat bag even in the morning time when you are still fresh and did not have a tiring day. So how do we remove them? We have heard many procedures from patients being done outside about fat melting injections and small subtle non-invasive treatments. All these are very temporary, and some of these could be dangerous as the area is very close to the eye. A very safe and reliable technique is a lower eyelid blepharoplasty. If you had reached early, then you would not have had extra skin or loose skin, and the fat pad can be very safely removed from your inner eyelid, that is without absolutely any scar. In case you came to the doctor after a certain age and you found some extra loose skin around that area, you might need an external cut, and also in this procedure the advantage is all the extra skin is very well removed with a very nice concealed scar. This gives a very uplifted, tight look to the lower eyelid, and your eyelid rejuvenates, or the entire eye looks rejuvenated instantly. And some small subtle changes like fat transfer to your temporal areas, lateral sides of the eyes, under eyelid, and also sometimes into your cheek to improve the malar prominence, that is the cheek prominence, gives a very young and rejuvenated look to your whole eye. Usually, the recovery time for all the eyelid surgeries is around 2 to 3 weeks because eyelids swell up a lot after the surgery, and generally, they are very safe if done in proper hands. So, you can discuss all the options that you will need and the post operative care with your surgeon for a better outcome. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share it to everybody for whom this video can be helpful. Comment for further information in the comment box and I'll reply for it. And please subscribe to the channel Eternal Aesthetics.